Hello students, we are going to discuss a minor course that is being offered by three branches in Mangalam College of Engineering. The minor in robotics and automation is originally offered by the robotics and automation branch, which is not there in Mangalam College of Engineering, but the university allows the college to conduct this minor course with the help of three different branches: electronics and communication, computer science engineering, and mechanical engineering. So students who are interested in robotics and automation minor can opt for this course. Let us look at what is the syllabus of this particular course. There is only one basket, and in it for S3 we are having the subject basics of robotics. In the fourth semester it is introduction to industrial automation, and in the fifth semester we have artificial intelligence and machine learning for robotics. Sixth semester we are having introduction to mobile robotics, and the last two semester we are having mini project. What we have to make sure is that out of these courses at least 3 courses are done in the college itself. For example, if we are going to go for the first 2 course, and then we can follow it up with a mini project. We can also do 2 mini projects, it does not matter, but minimum 3 has to be done. Totally we will get 20 credits for obtaining a minor degree. These 20 credits will be in the form of 5 different courses, each having 4 credits. Out of these 5 courses, we can split it up as 3 courses given in this particular set, in this particular basket, and 2 courses can be done in MOOC. That is through NPTEL or SWAYAM platform. It is not mandatory that students have to do 2 MOOC courses. Instead, all the 5 courses can be done from this particular basket itself. Now, coming to the different courses and the departments that are going to offer. Basics of robotics is a subject which comprises of 20% numerical problems and 80% theory. This subject is going to be conducted by ECE department. The 4th semester subject, Introduction to Industrial Automation, is a subject which is 100% theoretical, and that is going to be conducted by the Mechanical Engineering department. As far as the other 2 courses are concerned, right now the syllabus is not given, so we are not able to say how much of it will be programming or numerical problems and how much of it will be theoretical. But the artificial intelligence and machine learning for robotics will be conducted by the Computer Science Engineering department. Similarly, Introduction to Mobile Robots will most probably conducted by ECE department, or even based on the syllabus it may be shared between ECE and Mechanical Engineering department. At present, the ECE department is planning to offer this course. Only after looking into the syllabus of this course we will be able to say if it can be done by other departments also. From our college, students from ECE, Computer Science Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Electrical Engineering, EEE department can apply for minor in robotics and automation. So after the completion of this minor, you will be given a minor degree in robotics and automation. Thank you.